And this is on how to save them. The enormous amount of coral and reefs being destroyed by the fishermen have caused them to lose their home and being harmful to them because they have no home. Can you imagine your home being destroyed? That is what happens to the fish right now. Their coral, their reefs are being destroyed because some of the fishermen using fish bombs. Other than that, the ocean covers 70% or more in our earth. This is why we need to take care of them because it plays a huge role on our earth. So, however, if no one ought to do anything about it or find a solution, this will cause an extinction to some of the species. So, how can we do to prevent this from happening? Firstly, we can start managing our waste, such as managing it into plastic, into waste product, into paper and many more. Some of them can be recycled and some of them can't. And ensure them that they don't go into the drain or the sea. And other than that, we can reduce the carbon emission, such as reducing usage of cars by using public transport. Or even if you have to use your car, you can carpool with your friends or family so that each person didn't have to use their own car, and by that reducing the usage of vehicle. By doing this, we can greatly reduce the thinning of ozone layer. When we reduce the thinning of ozone layer, do you know what ozone layer does?
No. What does it
Ozone
do?
layer, it helps to filter the sunlight coming into our earth. When it does that, the sea doesn't directly got the sunlight rays. But when it is thin and it is broken, the sunlight rays will enter the earth directly and causing the sea and the ocean to become warmer. And this will harm the fishes and the marine life inside of it. By doing this, the marine life will face an extinction because they cannot adapt living with warm sea. Some of the fish can only live in the cold sea and not a warm sea. Next, my point is advocate for policies and regulation that supports marine life protection. So, we are living in Malaysia. Malaysia is a democratic country, and we need to vote for party that take care of the ocean and the biological things in our earth. What party? I'm not sure about that. We, as human, we take everything for granted. Most of us take everything for granted. Are you grateful that you are alive right now? Are you grateful that you are breathing? Are you grateful that you still have 2 legs?
Yeah.
Are you grateful for everything you have? And by that, there's a surah in Al-Quran, Ar-Rahman, that is repeated, the line is repeated 31 times, which says, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. And it means, which then of your Lord's blessing would you deny? Hak yang mana engkau dustakan yang Allah telah berikan. Itu maksudnya. That is the meaning. I'm sorry. And you will only care about certain things when they are lost. When seas are polluted, the fish has gone extinct, then only will some people care. Because they don't see it before. They will only eat. They don't know what is happening to them. They don't even care about what is happening to them. So, by this, I rest my case. And I get all my information from Marine Bio Conservation Society. Thank you.